So we all know that there are various causes of asymmetric Muru reflex. For example, fracture, clavicle, shoulder dystocia, or you can say brachial plexus injury. You can also think of congenital hemiplegia. Then think of Erb's palsy and Klumpke's paralysis. What is the root value of Erb's palsy? C5, C6, and Klumpke's paralysis C7, C8, and T1. If there is Klumpke's paralysis, there will be feature of Horner syndrome also. The important points of Horner syndrome are, so P for ptosis, anhydrosis, M for meiosis, then E for enophthalmos, and then we have loss of ciliospinal reflex and... Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics for Dr. Anand. We are in Trivandrum and we have this wonderful class. Everyone knows everything on the tips. Everyone is a topper here. So let's see their general knowledge. So sir, which is the first carpal bone to be appear in a baby? Which one? Madam, what do you think? The first carpal bone is capitate, comes by 2 months, and then the hamate, when does it come? 3 months. Which is the last carpal bone to come? Pisiform. When does it come around? After 8 years. Okay, madam, what is human dental formula? 2123 by 2123. Delayed dentition is defined as no teeth by 13 months. Which is the most commonest cause of delayed dentition? Idiopathic. Yes, idiopathic. Okay, very good. What is late neonatal period? Late neonatal period is 7 to 28 days. What is the infant? Infant is still how many years? 1 year. And then comes the toddler. What is toddler? 1 to 3 years. What is preschool? 3 to 6. What is school going period? 6 to 12 years. What is the normal neonatal mortality rate you can think of? 24. Very good. And after neonate, infant mortality rate? 34. And under 5 mortality rate? 39. What is the color of the meconium? Black. Meconium is the first tool of the baby. True or false?
Yes.
Very true. What is the gene mutation in colloidal or ichthyosis baby? ABCA12. What are the causes of asymmetric Muru reflex? Number 1, fracture clavicle. Very good. Number 2, Erb's palsy, Klumpke's paralysis, shoulder dystocia. So many are there. Okay, sir. If I talk, it's a tough one for you. If I talk about difficult bag and mass ventilation, which syndrome I should remember? Difficult bag and mass ventilation, which syndrome? So Pierre-Robin syndrome. Yes or no? Pierre-Robin. So congenital. So difficult bag and mass ventilation, difficult intubation. What are the other points? Microganetia. Number 2 is U-shaped cleft palate and glossoptosis. Okay. And last question, I'll show you a video. If you can tell me what is this? 1 second. So we all know that this is a video of Erb's palsy, right? Erb's palsy. Madam, if I say this video is a case of Klumpke's paralysis, what should be there? Facial features are there. Klumpke's paralysis, the root value is C7, C8 and T1. Klumpke's paralysis is associated with which syndrome? Horner syndrome. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. This is the YouTube session for the students who cannot attend the classes. So we are in Trivandrum and we have covered topics of growth and development and milestones. Sir, when can a baby knows his full name, age and sex? 3 years. Very good. When can a baby goes to toilet alone? 4 years. When can a baby plays cooperatively in a group? 4 years. A baby will be dry by day by how many months, ma'am? 18 months. And dry by night? 36 months. What is the treatment of choice for nocturnal enuresis, ma'am? Motivation therapy or conditioning therapy. The drug of choice will be desmopressin. Very good. Ma'am, what is chronic malnutrition? Which parameter should be changed? Height for age is chronic malnutrition, also known as stunting. For sir, acute malnutrition, which parameter should change? Weight for height, also known as wasting. WHO defines severe acute malnutrition as weight for height less than -3 standard deviation, then mid upper arm circumference less than 11.5 and edema. Very good. Sir, what is the latest neonatal mortality rate? Any idea? 24. And infant mortality rate is 34 and under 5 mortality rate is 39. Sir, what is hypoglycemia cutoff in a case of SAM baby?
Less than 554.
Less than 54 milligram per DL. And neonatal hypoglycemia is less than 45 milligram per DL. What is the fluid of choice? Which fluid should we give in neonatal hypoglycemia?
5%.
5% dextrose or 10% dextrose? 10% dextrose. How much ml per kg? 2 ml per kg of 10% dextrose. And for a SAM hypoglycemia, how much should I give? 5 ml per kg of 10% dextrose. What is the triad of complication of SAM, sir? Hypoglycemia, hypothermia and infection. Very good. Madam, standing with support comes by how many months, ma'am? Standing with support comes by 9 months and standing without support 12 months. Sir, when can a baby scribbling? 15 to 18 months. When can a baby make a triangle? 5 years. When can a baby make a circle? 3 years. When can a baby draw a straight line?
2 years.
2 years. When handedness comes by how many years?
3 years.
3 years. Very good. When can a baby make a diamond? 7 years. Very good. Madam, hopping and skipping. When can a baby do hopping? When can a baby do skipping?
4 years.
4 years hopping and skipping? 5 years. When can a baby ride a tricycle?
3 years.
3 years. Very good. Peekaboo. Peekaboo game baby can play by 10 months. And that one mirror play? 6 months. Mouthing comes by 5 months. Very good. And a baby knows his full name, age and sex by 3 years. And baby can go to toilet alone by 4 years. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. This is the YouTube session for the students who cannot attend the classes. So we are in Trivandrum and we have covered topics of growth and development and milestones. Sir, when can a baby knows his full name, age and sex?
3 years.
3 years, very good. When can a baby goes to toilet alone?
4 years.
4 years. When can a baby plays cooperatively in a group?
4 years.
4 years. A baby will be dry by day by how many months, ma'am? 18 months and dry by night? 36 months. What is the treatment of choice for nocturnal enuresis, ma'am? Motivation therapy or conditioning therapy. The drug of choice will be desmopressin. Very good. Ma'am, what is chronic malnutrition? Which parameter should be changed? Height for age is chronic malnutrition, also known as stunt.